Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Jacob. I'm back with another video. Today, I'm in my Lexus ES 330, and I'm doing a little, fucking vlog on my car. I'm gonna hit 3 on this hoe, cause I feel like it, and these people slow it foot. Feel me? So I'm trying to do that, and yeah, I barely got any gas, but that shit come on my ass anyway, so it ain't a big deal. I think that dude in the Civic, he just slow, and he making this dude slower. You feel me? I'm about to go. I hit. Oh, look at that. He going. Where do I go? I can't go nowhere. Look, and now they both going the same speed, and I can't goddamn cut up. You feel me? What do I do here? I don't know. But that's all I do. You see this? You feel me? What he doing, bro? What he doing? Oh, Bagalai. Feel me? Yeah, it's a pretty nice car, as you can see. I'm gonna turn left here. I'm gonna stop my car right there. Look at that dumb bitch. She in there. She fucking way past the line. I don't know what the fuck she doing. Feel me? I'm just chilling for. Yeah. This is my car. As you can see, I'm low on gas, bro. Feel me? Hell yeah. Well, anyway, we gonna drive, cause I got to go home. I gotta work on my goddamn math homework. I got a test on Thursday, you feel me? And that test, if I fuck up on that test, my life is over. You feel me? So as you can see, bro, look how beautiful these trees are. This is where that bitch Kaylin live. Ex. We sucking on her sagging titties all the time. Anyways, look at this beautiful. Y'all can't help. This is just the beauty. You riding in a smooth Lexus, and you got these beautiful ass trees, this beautiful ass neighborhood that you turning into. Feel me? And it's just absolutely amazing. I'm gonna park in the back, you feel me? So I'm about to go there. And then we gonna park that, out there. Feel me? We gonna go out there right now. Oh yeah. We out here. And I'm gonna park. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in to the vlog. I'm gonna see y'all next time. Feel me? Actually, hold on. I'm gonna show y'all me closing this bit. And you know what I do? I hit that part. You see that right there? Right there. Oh, it farted. Yeah.